Gonna smile again for Mama? Ooh, she said, no, I don't want to smile for Mama. She said, Mom, you're taking me to that bright place again, huh? You gonna smile again for Mama? Ooh, it's so bright in here. It's so bright in here. You sleeping good? You sleeping good, baby girl? You sleeping good, baby girl? Mama got some Eggos in the toaster. Do you like Eggos? Oh, you don't? You don't like Eggos? I don't think you've ever had Eggos to try. Do you want to try Eggos? I mean, like in 2 hours? You do? What are you doing? What are you doing? You making faces? You making faces? Is that little girl dreaming? What are you dreaming about? You dreaming about happy things? Sad things, maybe? Happy things. That's good. Hungry things, maybe? Bottles and flowers and pink. Pink stuff. You dreaming about pink stuff? Maybe. Maybe not. Look at you waking up. Hey. Look at that. I got her nose.